Hello guys. In this video we are gonna learn how to make audiobook by just using 11 lines of Python. Create a new project. Give whatever name you want and click on Create Project. Search Python text-to-speech in your browser. Click on Copy to Clipboard. To clear screen, press Ctrl+R and backspace, paste the command in terminal. It will take few seconds to install the package based on your internet. Let's import the package. Let's give any name and initialize the pyttsx3. Then we will say the variable to say anything. Then we will ask variable to run and wait.
Like, share and subscribe.
Let's download any PDF from browser. Download near your project. It should show on left side of your project. Now we will open book by using built-in Python command called open. We will give book name and we will ask it to open file as binary. We will install one more package to read PDF files. Package name is pypdf2. We wish give oil install pypdf2, then package will install. We will read the book in any variable. In my case I'm giving PDF reader. I can give any name. We will read number of pages in the PDF. And we will print it. We got 111 as
like,
output.
share
That
and
means
subscribe.
We have 111 pages in our PDF. Let's check in actual PDF. From all pages we will select one specific page to read out. I want my computer to read 8th page for me. In programming, counting starts from 0. So if I want 8th page to be read by Python, so I should give 7. Then we will extract the text from page that we have given. Then we will ask to read text. Lieutenant will read 8th page, and here is the proof.
In Python. 2. Object-oriented means directed towards objects. In other words, it means functionally directed towards modeling objects. This is one of the many techniques used for modeling complex systems by describing a collection of interacting objects via their data and behavior. Python, and object-oriented programming, OOP, is a way of programming that focuses on using objects and classes to design and build applications. Major pillars of object-oriented